Welcome to my channel, FS Tech Lab. In today's video we are going to see how to download an ISO file of Windows Server 2025 from Microsoft website. So let's begin. To download the ISO file, open your browser and go to Google search page. Type in Windows Server 2025 download. And press enter. List of links will appear on the search page. Click on the Microsoft link, that is Windows Server 2025 Microsoft Evaluation Center. Scroll down. Click on Download the ISO link. It will redirect to a page with a form to fill up your details. Fill in your details and click on Download Now. It will redirect to the download page. Click on 64-bit edition opposite to your preferred language. The download will initiate once you click on the link. The ISO will be saved in your Downloads folder, or the browser may ask where to save the file as per your browser setting. Select preferred location and click Save. Download initiates. Once download is completed, notification will be displayed. Thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe and press the bell icon for latest videos.